Hey, me no know which part of the problem you talk about, you know. Cause you see, if any little one them good, me think the big one them for deal with them problem. You really think that me can always a grow and a fix a big one them problem? That a go cause problem, baby. Them have to do it on their own. Remember, you know, them are grow, you know. It start with you. But me talk to them. I already talked to them and I like me not have a meeting with them. I have a meeting last night. I call the meeting together. You get me? Me sit down and me talk. Me talk to TT, me talk to Shannel, me talk to Jagger. And me tell you next morning at them that again. So they need to fix their own problem. Me have a whole heap to deal with, you know. Which one of them I decided? Which one of them I decided say them are going to help me with some business or put something out there for make some money? No for only love talk some shit, you know, because me can't go sit down and fix them problem and their relationship 20 blood clot 4/7. Me can't do that. You see me? Hey, me I get some opportunity for black no for only tonight. You see, you know the reason why? It chat small. So me can sooner know. I mean I have to wait for a moderator. Right? Go see your mother pussy. I mean, when you see your mother pussy when you come out of it. So go see your mama pussy before you can see me teeth. Yeah, man, black the moderator. I say tonight I get the opportunity. But as I said, I cannot fix them problem. Me have my problem for fix. Me have things to do. You understand me? I say, instead of them I find so much fucking problem, right? Stop, cause. Alright. Alright, sorry, done. Me not cause. Right? Instead of them I find so much problem, brother, more I see one of them start rise up them business, more I see them I think more constructive about things, how they can make life. And that me I tell you. Me not walk around and fix nobody problem. I'm tired of do that. I'm tired of do that. If you look like Pitney, they have more sense, more than if you bigger one, them more while. Me not walk around and fix nobody problem. Me not walk around and fix nobody problem, my love. Them have to go deal them problem on them own. Me don't talk to TT. Me know TT not go hear me. So me and me tell me TT not hear me. Right? To me, equal like TT tell herself so she in love with Jagger. You understand? Right? Tell her, as when me see, her mother angry. When you say her mother, she says what she say. But me never got talk that, but get to understand, say her mother vex. You understand me? Talk to her. If she don't want to hear, I fear her business. She's a growing girl, 22-year-old. Right? Me can't say she love Jagger. Me talk to Jagger. Me say Jagger leave her alone. Make she just grow. Right? We not have to run her. We don't think we have to run her. Or if it going to be a case that they run Jagger, then you can't leave him. Then you have to take some time out then. Right? But me not gonna run TT. I swear to God, I swear to you, for my life yesterday tonight. Me not run that little girl, that lady there. I'm not gonna run that young lady. You hear me tell you? Me say a thing with her because she don't have no big education or maybe she can't read so good. Style, me see them a style her. That touch me, fuck. How much styling me get from blood clot people because me can't, me not that fast in reading. You get me? And you take people for fool because they're kind. Yeah, some people kind-hearted, you know? Yeah, some people kind-hearted, they have all the last money in them pocket and take it give you. TT kind-hearted, bad. You understand? And because she maybe just look a bit slow on certain things, they want to take her for idiot. But unless TT pack him back and say, you want to leave you, me love her alone. Me nah put out her. Anyway, me she say she want to go, me a carry her. Unless she say she don't want there. Nobody can tell me. That me say. TT look just like one of my pitney them. You look on TT, look on all of them together. Bro, just make a little girl grow. Young lady. Make she go and grow. She do music video. She come in an artist video. A girl have potential. She have pretend. I can't find no know a video them. Me look on her video them. She have potential. She nice looking. You understand? She just need for the run the right people them. She the run jobbers. More when jobbers talk to her, she hear. You understand? And she go find the right connection them for her life. Jaga, me love Jaga, but Jaga not deserve her. Swear to you. Jaga do not deserve TT. And Jaga my boy. You understand? They keep on asking me, what about Shannel? What about Shannel? I said, I'm not dealing with Shannel. You understand? I not deal with Shannel. I not care what none of you want to say. I dey run Shannel and I know who is Shannel. I know who Shannel is. I know what Shannel capable of. I not deal with Shannel. That may I tell you. I'm not care who want bex from who want boss. She said, okay, what? Nah, deal with her, man. Dead serious. Nah, deal with her. Alright, you know the reason why I say I not deal with her. Let me tell you exactly the reason why I say I not deal with her. I never see Shannel really stand up for herself. I mean, I like it. She will stand up against everybody for her man. But she never really stand up for herself. You understand what I say? He will stand up for one day and cuss. And between the next day, he gone back to the same level. Right? You will turn up this and watch somebody licking your ass. And by a couple of minutes, I yarn somebody again. And your eyes swell up. So if you don't love your fucking self, you don't love me then. You can't love me, no girl. You can't love me. And I don't care. Me just talk raw and truth. You understand? Any idea you feel like say, yo, each time you go tell all since night she go tell me son say, your mother disrespect me and you really go out with her. Like girl, you crazy. You go tell me son, your mother disrespect you and you really go out with her. She's a controlling person. She controlling, embarrassing. Was if you go out in a public, you will shame like a dog. Anywhere she go, she war over man. Anywhere I go, I could have Migla Street, I could have done a hospital, I could have Spain, I could have England, New York, anywhere in front of a pastor. Always a war over bumbo clock, man. Man, go on here, man. And then I'm back at chatting. All last year, Shannel disrespect me for media. I now come back, now me you good, you come back with the same thing. I don't want to deal with Shannel no more. I don't want to deal with her. Who that? Brother, what you want, man? I can't just lie down in my room. What?
What's your?
Nothing.
Did I cry?
Who said that? Are people tell her that?
Just want to call, text me and I tell me say did I cry?
Cry away.
You don't look like you're there, man.
Me not ball, me don't know how to tell her that, but they say me eye first.
Oh, alright, you're good though. You're good though.
Yeah, baby, me good.
You wanna feed?
Hmm?
You wanna feed?
Where I eat?
Later.
You eat something?
No, nothing. Can we go up and we get some feet and not get nothing?
Oh, alright.
Alright, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, good night. Alright, you know when mother forgive Shannel? Is when me see Shannel stand up for herself. I swear to you. You see, with me supposed to say, yeah, me forgive Shannel and they run Shannel. Shannel have to go start stand up for herself. You understand me? I don't like when a man not stand up for themselves, Shannel not stand up for himself. And the thing is this, she will do anything. I'm alright, because I see me will do anything for a man. Once me love you. You see, once me love you, I will do things for you. But you see, the end of the day, me love you. You take advantage of me. Over and over. Me not rate that. And next why part where you stand up for yourself, you'd have more try to sing people around you. You'd have more try to sing people around you. You understand what I say? Instead of stand up for your fucking self. Bro, I don't want to deal with her. Whole heap of time she sink me. Whole heap of time she come around me, watch me, pre me, and then she come and disrespect me. Me don't want to deal with her. Me don't want to deal with her. And there's more things I want to say, but I can't, I don't want to say it. More things I want to say, but I don't want to say it. And it's just the truth. I don't want to deal with her. I don't want a girl who can't even live in our house with. And that me I tell her. I don't want to deal with her. But I says, I talk some things out of my mouth and say I'm wicked, I swear to God. And anybody around here can tell us, and lie me I tell. She not changing dirty style about herself. So I don't want to deal with her. Year one time, last year I did overseas, right? Or this year, no, this year. I remember one time I did the overseas. Where she come on live and she do some things and chat some things where she know a lie. You see one thing when I tell a lie upon me, I go remember it. Remember me to my grave if I tell a lie upon me, I go remember it. And I remember when time she come on the live, when time I do overseas and she tell some lie upon me. She chat some sitting about it, pitney them, she do some things youth when unnecessary. She tell a piece of lie, say, Lando did in a house. I play with himself. Yo, me can never stomach you when me hear. And that Cassie, for me youth, they never feel left yard. Never forgot that. Right? And it happened that same and I still talk back when I come from overseas. Still look for my grandpitney them. And but hear that again. She comes to Boopson. Me class her, yes. She class me. She carry me in and she disrespect me. Me disrespect her. Alright, me come back now this time you know. And she call me. And she say, Mommy, me sorry for everything when me do. Me really sorry and me really want me and you can talk. Cause me love you. That time me there a puppy in. That time me there a puppy in. And she called me and said to me, say, me really sorry. Me know you're not gonna talk to me, you know. And me still talk to her. And I said to her, I say, me don't want me to live bad again. Right? No for uno no know me no harm Shannel. Me run joke, she run back joke with me and she lick me in my back and run. And me run her down and lick her back and laugh with her. I saw me joyful round them. Yo, she too disrespectful. This time is no dealing back with me. I don't want she deal with me. That me I tell her. Because I gotta live it. I don't want she deal with me. So when you go to your bed, you there start tell people what to do. You can chat so. Get your ass bed, man. You in the comment section and jump up. Anybody ask you about morning, go your bed. Go your bed. Water dash in your bed, Jamie, go your bed too. Water dash in your bed, go your bed. Thank you, baby, thank you. Thank you. Nick. What? Me just, we can feel. Really? I a joke. Love you, baby. I love you, Annie. Enough love and respect, baby. Your eyes red because my eyes them kind of sleepy. My eyes are kind of sleepy. This time I can't. I don't care what you want to agree with me about. And that's okay. That's okay. Thank you, baby. I don't care what you want to agree with me about. You have your saying, I have mine. You understand me? And you're not going to take away that from me. Right? And if Jaga not the contract too, Jaga have to lift up from around me. If Jaga not the contract too, Jaga have to lift up from around me too. So I don't care what you have to say. That is it. That is it. Is mine, not yours. Thank you. Hey, thank you for the gift, baby. We not go and go feel the baby in your belly or something. You talk about TT, disrespect Annie already, TT do this, TT do that. Me not put a measure upon a skill about who disrespect who. Well, I don't have a problem with TT. Make it go and burn out to the belly. It a go burn out to the belly like a hot tea. You talk about TT, never disrespect Annie already. That's something you look, man. Go on over Shannel, go and influence Shannel. Yeah, one Shannel, big up Shannel. Me not hate her, me just not want her own her. Something wrong with that? Well, you no go sleep. Well, you take a look for me. If you didn't sleep, you don't know if you don't know say me not sleep. If you didn't sleep, you don't know say me not sleep, you know. Got your bed, man, and come out of my comment section, bro. Yeah, man, one Shannel, man. Big up on yourself. And give a fuck what you want to say. Yeah, man, I don't go and eat TT. That's how you go. Continue to eat TT. Hey, no found all the junk still, you know. When I saw look a clip with junk, no found all in other comment section. Eh?
Can you get the ice cream?
Why you don't want my ice cream, Zoe?
Ooh.
No.
Huh?
No.
Can so?
Zoe, go and get some of my ice cream. And got your bed, Zoe, at 2 o'clock. Zoe, come here. Come here. Zoe, almost 2 o'clock. Don't eat any ice cream.
Okay, Mom.
You hungry, bud?
Yes, Mommy.
So you don't want the noodle?
Yeah, I'm going to make the noodles.
And eat ice cream?
No, when I put up the ice cream for tomorrow.
Oh, see, I eat a noodle then?
Yeah, which one are you going to eat? The normal one or the spicy one for the fear? Which one?
I want a spicy one.
Okay, so eat the normal one? Okay.
If you got your bed. I'm on, you know, that's why you're hungry. Give a fuck what you want, put in there, but one Shannel, never two. You're lucky. Fucking lucky. You know, say I come here some people here, some that want to say something to you, I swear. But me have some people in that comment section that will really like me.